Good morning. Update on the build. As you can see, the waterproof covering on the roof has just gone on, as Alex. It's been a really eventful 4 weeks. So unfortunately I had a bit of an accident and knackered my ankle, which was a minor thing really, but crutches for a few weeks. But then I had to go into hospital for an operation. So I was having to put my feet up for a bit, and also still got my stitches all in, so I need to wait for them to heal before I start climbing up on the roof. But yeah, I feel like 90 at the moment, but it's really frustrating because we've got so much to do. But what can you do? You just got to let your body heal. So this is what the build is looking like so far. Slowly, slowly, as they say.
So this vapour barrier, it's a bit dusty at the moment, but it's got 2 layers of foil and then bitumen in between. So when I screw these galvanised brackets on that are holding the gable end fascia boards, the upstands, the bitumen will seal around these as you screw in and provide of the vapour barrier. Obviously that's what it is, but that'll stop any water going through if ever gets wet because there's a leak, and more importantly it'll stop any vapour coming through in the warm house up through the foam, which is going to sit up to here. There's 84 sheets all the way along here, and the zinc, which is going to be here on top, because then it rots out in about 4 years. But I'm going to put a patch on top of these as well, belt and braces, why not, while it's exposed and I've got the time. So here's the gable end fascia cut, just to show you that I'm not completely useless. So nice and flush, and then on this side as well, not overlapping. Same on the other side, although there's black tape there to stop moisture getting in, so you might think there's a big gap there, but there isn't. I've still got these fascias to put in, and that's going to be 9mm OSB. And as soon as that's in, it'll bring it flush with the edge of the Nudura, and then I'll bring this vapour barrier down over the top by about 2 inches or 50mm. Here's the vapour barrier here, and I'm going to be cutting that into 30cm strips and then gluing those to the fascia panels overlapping at the top and the bottom, and that'll help with the air tightness of the house, because it's going to be a warm roof, as you've heard me lament many times before. But this is exactly the same stuff that they've used on the main part of the roof, so it'll be a good interface and a good finish. One of the other great things of working up here, of course, is you see the surrounding area at different times of the day. So it's about 5 o'clock now, so the sun's going down behind me, as you may well be able to see. In the distance there's Princetown, and as the sun's setting, it's highlighting the beautiful heather over there, which is sort of like the purpley colour. And just down there is the deer grazing at the end of the day in the meadow opposite. Yeah, a great place. Always something to look at, as well as obviously the work that I'm doing. We're very lucky to be here.